Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'll be doing some math videos, basically some stuff that you'll need to know before taking the SAT. Let's start. Our lesson today is quadratic formula, or how to solve the equation of type ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The first step is to calculate the determinant, and the determinant equals b squared minus 4ac. So you take b, you square it, and you subtract 4 times a times c. The second step is whether this determinant is equal to 0 or strictly less than 0 or strictly greater than 0. In the first case, if the determinant is strictly less than 0, then there are no solutions to this equation. The second case, if the determinant equals to 0, there is only one solution, and it's given by the formula x equals minus b over 2a. Minus b over 2a. The last case is if the determinant is strictly greater than 0. In this case, there are two solutions to the given equation. Let's denote them x1 and x2. They are both given by the formula x1 equals minus b plus the square root of the determinant over 2a. And x2 equals minus b minus the square root of the determinant over 2a. So you'll notice that the difference between them is that the first one has a plus before the square root, while the second one has a minus before the square root. So let me erase the board and I'll give you some examples. So this is the first example, ax squared plus 3x plus 4 equals 0. The first step, as I said before, is to calculate the determinant, b squared minus 4ac. And here, b is 3, a is 1, and c is 4. So b squared is equal to 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4. So the determinant is 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4, which is 16. That gives that the determinant equals minus 7. And since the determinant is strictly less than 0, then the given equation has no solution. You can write it as follows. Here is the second example. X squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. We first calculate the determinant, which is 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Since b equals 2, a equals 1, and c equals 1. That is b squared minus 4 times a times c. That gives the determinant equals 4 minus 4, which is 0. And in this case, when the determinant equals 0, the solution is given by the formula minus b over 2a, with b equals 2 and a equals 1. That is minus 2 over 2, which gives x equals minus 1, and then the set of solutions is minus 1. We move on to the third example. Here is our last example. X squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. As always, we first calculate the determinant. And that is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. Why? Because b equals 4, a equals 1, and c equals 3. That is b squared minus 4 times a times c. That is, again, 16 minus 12, which is 4. And since the determinant is strictly greater than 0, that means that the equation has two solutions. And they are both given by the formula minus b minus the square root of the determinant over 2a, and minus b plus the square root of the determinant over 2a. We plug in b with its value, which is 4, the determinant with 4, and a with its value 1. That is, x1 equals minus 4 minus 2 over 2, and x2 equals minus 4 plus 2 over 2. Some simple calculation gives you minus 3 and minus 1. So the solutions to our given equation are minus 3 and minus 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, type them in the comments below. I'll answer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.